and glory on the night in question. His conduct and his appearance and his demeanor were not befitting of a public person of his stature at that time. It is a lesson for all of those people in public or celebrity positions. He's paid a high cost in terms of diminished reputation and financial loss. This case is about credibility, and it's the court's job to assess the credibility of the witnesses. It's the court's job to determine how much weight to give the testimony of the witnesses. This court, because it's a jury-waived trial, this court is the sole judge of the credibility of the witnesses who testified in this case. The complaining witness has significant credibility issues. Those issues were highlighted in her testimony. Her conduct as a sworn juror in another case, in a criminal matter in Middlesex Superior Court, was egregious, and it was offensive to the rule of law. The testimony about her scheme to evade a $200 gym membership fee by creating a fictitious legal document is indicative of that lack of credibility. These issues, these were just two of the issues, but they were significant in the mind of the court, and they support the defendant's contention that her motive was financial gain. As to the fact issues in the case, the pictures tell 1,000 words, and the complaining witness's image in these photographs, specifically it was Exhibit 2, pictures 5 and 6, which showed the separation between the complaining witness and the defendant, Mr. Batali. But her reaction and lack thereof to the alleged assault is telling. As I mentioned, the visibility of the flooring, the tile flooring between the complaining witness and the defendant indicated a separation and contributes to reasonable doubt. Significant as well is the 3-minute delay. The photographs, a series of photographs in that exhibit took place at 12:37 a.m. and then again at 12:40 a.m. There's a 3-minute lapse of time, and during that time it appears that that the selfies were reviewed or retaken, or plans were made to retake the selfies. This is all allegedly as a serious sexual assault was happening. The burden is on the Commonwealth to prove beyond a reasonable doubt. Beyond a reasonable doubt is the highest standard in our system of justice, as well it should be. It requires that the fact finder be satisfied or be convinced to an abiding conviction, to a moral certainty that the charge is true. That's not the case here. The Commonwealth has not met its burden to the degree that's required by law. So Mr. Batali and Attorney Fuller and Caruso, if you could rise, I'm going to find the defendant not guilty to the charge of indecent assault and battery. Yeah, you could. Yeah, that's great.
For the record, as to the Commonwealth versus Mario Batali, docket number 1901CR 1819. Court has made a finding is not guilty. Mr. Batali is free to go.
All right. Thank you, everyone. All right. Thank you.
We will return the exhibits.
That's great.
And the exhibits will return.
Oh, yeah. Do you? Yeah. Sure. All right. All right. I'll stand in recess.
Thank you.
Thanks.
The court will stand in recess.